Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a special, or I should say, a customized system. It is a tire code number display system that they're going to put throughout the plant. They're going to hang these displays, and they all are wired on a party line. So it's two conductor 22 gauge wire, and there's two displays per housing per enclosure, and they're 4-inch displays, so they're viewable up to 200 feet away. They're going to hang them by wire, and they're 110 volt, and they're like I said, there's two conductor 22 gauge, and they're all going to be daisy chained together. It is networked. So the idea is, or actually the concept is, that this web page is held on this master control, and it is able to plug into your network and control the number displays. So to demonstrate, we have a computer that's connected to the IP address of the master control, and then the master control has 24 volt power that will send the data out the two wires to the number displays, and then the number displays are located throughout the plant. So to demonstrate, I'm just going to punch in a couple of numbers here and send them out. So I'll punch in 145, and I'm going to send them to display number 1, and that's the left hand display. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit return on that, and it sends the display number to the display. I'm going to do the same for the others, up to 4 digits, 4 different numerals. As you can see, I'm entering the numerals here into this box, hitting carriage return, refreshes the screen, refreshes the page on the master control, and then shows the number that we entered up in the red numeral area. I'm going to do it again here. We're putting in 4 digits to show you the max. Hit carriage return. The page refreshes, enters the number up here, so it shows the last number that you entered. I'm just going to enter just a single numeral. And as you can see on the display in the rear there, display number 5, it shows the 2 that I entered. I'm going to show one with just 2 numbers. And then display number 6 has just 2 numbers. And then also it IDs it here, it shows it here on this visual, gives you a visual there on the web page. Now if I want to clear them, I just hit carriage return, and it clears the display here and also up here. It refreshes the page. So it's a pretty simple system. We can have up to 670 displays, and it is expandable to that. At this point in time, we just have 2-digit or 2-letter codes. So this is AA, AB, that the internal system knows, but we can add a 3-letter code and expand it on past 670 units. But currently, the user just requires around 60. I think we're going to do 60 for the system. But they need to display static numbers, and they need to do it through their network, and it be wired. So we can put an individual network drop on each one, but they wanted to go with just one network drop and then wire each unit together on a two conductor party line. So we call it a static number display and a network static number display, and it has its own web page, which can be customizable to your location also. So everything is kind of a la carte, where you can make your own however you want to do it, but obviously we do it here in-house, and just give you some capabilities of our programming, of how we can put custom jobs together and fulfill any kind of like number display that you would need to give your people indication of what job they're working on, or the process number, or the number of units they need to get completed for the day, so forth and so on. So anyways, just wanted to show this custom display system. It is a system. So thank you very much.